This is Jacob Arnold, your host for On the Ocean. Influenza A, more commonly known as the flu, played an important role in the infection of over 247 million people between 2010 and 2020, and resulted in the death of over 322,000 in the United States alone. This deadly virus has now recently been detected in marine mammals such as seals and whales. The virus was first discovered by marine biologists who had observed a sudden increase in the number of stranded and dead harbor seals in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. In the following 9 months after discovering these seals, about 500 juvenile harbor seals were found dead along the northeastern coast of the United States due to an infection with the influenza A virus. In an effort to understand what was happening to the seals, scientists conducted a study in which they tracked different groups of marine mammals over multiple years. At the end of the test, they determined that up to 10% of the populations being studied had contracted influenza. After discovering these results, the scientists started to ask the question of how the marine mammals were contracting the virus, as they were not in contact with humans. Studying the virus more, they discovered that the influenza the mammals were infected with was actually a form of avian influenza from birds. They came up with the hypothesis that the reason they were contracting the avian influenza was because birds and mammals have been reported to eat fish from the same locations, resulting in the virus being transmitted between the species. Although we do not fully understand the transmission methods for the influenza virus to marine mammals, it is important that we track and monitor this situation to understand more fully the threat posed to marine mammals through additional mutation of the influenza A virus. This has been On the Ocean, a program made possible by the Department of Oceanography and a production of KAMU-FM on the campus of Texas A&M University in College Station. For more information and links, go to ontheocean.tamu.edu.